Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hi from California. Today we're talking about 100 most common English words. If you're interested in learning words that make up 50% of all written English, please continue watching this video. There is this set of texts called Oxford English Corpus, which includes 2 billion words, and what they've done, they've collected words from internet, books, magazines, and they come up with this list, and actually 100 most common words make up 50% of those texts, and I've split those words into categories for you, and we're gonna start with nouns. And now we're gonna go through those words. I'm gonna give you examples, I'm gonna give you context, because the best way to memorize a word is to see it in the context. So let's go. Noun number 1, time. What time is it right now?
What time is it now?
Word number 2, person. I am a person.
I am a person.
3, year. Happy New Year. Happy New 2018.
Happy New Year.
Way. Can you tell me the way to the city center?
And you can tell me what to do. But right now it is the other way around.
Day. What day is it today? It's Friday.
What day is today? Friday.
Thing. What is this thing? This is a planner. Man. Man. A boy grew up and became a real man.
Wasn't a real man.
World. The world is mine. Or just the world, the planet where we live.
The world is mine.
Life. It's such a wonderful life.
Never give up, it's such a wonderful life.
Hand. Give me a hand.
Give me your hand.
Part. America is a part of the world.
In any part of the world.
Child. She's recently had a child.
Child.
Eye. This is your eye.
Close your eyes.
Woman. I'm a woman.
Shut up, Paul! You are a man and I am a woman.
Place. This is the most beautiful place in the world. By the way, I think San Francisco is one of the most beautiful places in the world. Week. A week is 7 days.
Weeks.
Case. He defended his case in court.
Case closed.
Point. What's the point in traveling so far? Or sometimes the point can be a dot. Government. Government are people who rule the country.
Government.
Company. I run my own company.
What is my company?
Number. What is your favorite number?
And you get my favorite number.
By the way, my favorite number is 13 because I was born on the 13th of March. Group. I recently joined a singing group.
Picture! Group picture!
Problem. What is your problem?
What is your problem, man? What are you doing?
Fact. Fact is something you know for sure. I am in San Francisco. This is a fact.
In theory, this is a fact.
Now we are moving into verbs, and verbs means action. The first verb is be.
B.
Have. I have a beautiful shirt.
I have no idea.
Do. I like to do videos on YouTube.
Do.
Say. I like to say things about English language.
What you say?
Get. Can I get that coffee, please? Make. How do you make a cake yourself at home?
Make them drop.
Go. Let's go for a walk.
Let's go. Let's go.
No. I know you. And you know that I'm Marina. Take. Let me take that. Something when you want to help somebody in the street. Let me take that.
And let me take this.
See. I see you. You see me.
I see you.
Come. Come and visit me tomorrow.
Come with me.
Think. I think this video is super useful. Look. Look at me and memorize what I'm saying.
Look at me.
Want. I want to go to Canada in 2018. Give. I love to give presents.
Give me that.
Use. Can I use your cell phone? Find. I'm so glad I found you.
So I find you.
Tell. Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something.
Ask. Can I ask you something? Work. I work every day from 9 to 6. It's typical office day, 9 to 6. Work from 9 to 6.
Usually my work is...
Seem. You remember the song, right? Sorry seems to be the hardest word.
Sorry seems to be the hardest word.
This is when something looks like something, but it's not. Feel. I feel you guys. I feel your pain of learning English language.
Feel.
Try. I love to try different things. I love to try ballet, I love to try yoga, I love to try piano, I love to try singing. I love to try things. Leave. Don't leave me. Stay on this channel, stay in this video. Don't leave. Don't switch off your computer. Call. Can you call me, please? Hello.
Call me.
The next category is adjectives, and adjectives help you describe something. Good. Have a good day.
Okay, have a good day.
New. I just got a new sticker on my phone to hold my cards. This is new. Just got it. First. What is the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning? First.
What's the first rule?
Last. What is the last thing you do before you go to bed? What I do, by the way, I think I check my Instagram the last thing before I go to bed. If you don't follow me yet, please follow. It's linguamarina on Instagram. Long. How long is an hour? 1 hour is 60 minutes.
The long, 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 long way.
Great. Have a great day. Great, amazing, beautiful. Little. Oh, little. I'm sorry, I'm a little late. Little. Own. I like to own cars instead of renting them. So I like to have my own car instead of going to a rental company every day asking for a car. Other. YouTube is my hobby. My other hobbies include fitness, yoga, and hiking.
Other story.
Old. How old are you? I am 27 years old.
How old are you? 27.
Right. To the right, to the left. Big. The world is so big.
The world is a big place.
High. It's not like high, it's high. Tall, very high. Different. English and German are different languages. They are not the same. Small. Hamsters, you know those small animals? Are really small. Hamsters, mice, really small. Colibri birds are the smallest.
Small talk, small talk, small talk.
Large. This shirt is a little too large, which means it doesn't really fit. It's a loose fit and it's large. Next. So, what's next?
What next?
Early. I don't like waking up early. I wake up at around 10 a.m. every morning. I love to sleep, honestly. Young. She's very young. She's just 14 years old.
She is a lovely young lady.
Important. This is an important video because during this video you learn 100 most used English words. Few. I have a few good friends, which means I have some good friends.
I know a few moves.
Public. I love public speaking. I love talking to people. Some people are afraid of public speaking. Bad. I don't think being shy is bad. Bad is the opposite of good. What is good and what is bad?
You are bad at math.
Same. I'm not the same as I used to be in 2016. I've changed a lot. Able. I am able to speak English. Are you able to speak English? I think you are now. Okay, let's go to the next category, prepositions. To. Let's go to London.
Go back to London.
Of. Do you remember the song Piece of Me by Britney Spears? In. I am in San Francisco. For. What would you like to get for your birthday? On. I'm sitting on a couch. With. I'm recording this video with a new Sony camera.
With?
At. I should finish at around 9 p.m. By. Come by anytime you want. I'm waiting for you. From the bottom of my heart.
From Russia with love.
Up. Wake up and get your things done.
Up.
About. What are you talking about?
What you talking about?
Into. I'm into you means I love you. I fancy you. You're amazing. I'm into you. Over. This video is not over yet. We're still going. There are about 27 words to go, and then you're done. Then you know 50% of the English language. After. I think it's too late to come after 9 p.m. Try to come earlier.
After what?
After.
And now I will just go through the parts of speech that are left, and they belong to different parts of speech. So let me just mention those to you. The, and, a, that, I, it, not, he, as, you, this, but, his, they, her, she, or, an, will, my, one, all, would, there. And the last word is there. If you have been watching attentively, you might have noticed that I've named a little more than 100 words, and I actually named 114. That's why, because I wanted to include more nouns. This is 50% of all written English, and I congratulate you on reaching this milestone. Now you know 50% of all written English. Let me know, guys, if there were words that you didn't know. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by hitting like and subscribing to this channel. And the best way to practice the new words is use them in context. So think of sentences, think of different phrases that you can use to embed those words. And another great way to practice, actually the best way to practice, is to go to an English-speaking country and immerse yourself into English by staying with locals and going to a language school. And linguatrip.com is my company that's going to help you with that. And it's a booking platform for any country, so you can be from anywhere in the world. And you could use it to come to the UK, United States, Canada, Australia, whatever you want. So please let me know if you enjoyed it.